Welcome to our community. Do you believe that just one moment of carelessness can change a life forever? Here, we share real and emotional stories of traffic accidents, unbelievable moments, and valuable lessons. Jaguar is a predator, but this time it became prey to a truck. The highway is no jungle. Steel crush everything, but fate spared the driver, a breathtaking life and death moment. Road rage at max level, Audi strikes back, leaving the pickup truck hanging precariously like an action movie scene.
Oh my God!
Gas station menace. The pickup truck stormed in like an action movie, nearly turning the trip into a disaster. Lucky escape. A surprising handshake moment. The container turns around, and two cars willingly join in the speed exchange. Cement is meant for building houses, but today it ended up flattening a car instead. High speed plus sharp turn equals the perfect recipe for disaster. Luckily, no one was injured. Quick reflexes, but at a high cost. The trailer bows dramatically. The truck decided to ignite rush hour, an unexpected meeting on the highway. Looks like one truck was a little too eager to hug the other. Not the best way to greet on the MCAT.
Fuck.
Red light is not just for decoration. 1 second of rushing can lead to a lifetime of regret. Safety always comes first. The bridge must have gotten tired of carrying the load and decided to lie down in the most dramatic way. This visit to the front yard is more shocking than the monthly electric bill. The Justice Lamppost! The truck drove recklessly, but the small car took the full punishment. From a lamppost.
7534.
Radio, we're signal 12.
Radio 6.
Go ahead and notify north end.
From a vacation getaway to a jailhouse tour in just one perfect pit maneuver. When plans don't go as expected,
Get hands in the air! Roll that back! Hey, DJ! Panel!
high speed plus sharp turn equals the perfect recipe for disaster. Luckily, no one was injured.
Задний ход, давай задний ход.
Dashcam captures a brutal crash on US 60. Mesa safe driving saves lives. car seemed to lose patience, switched lanes on its own, and caused chaos, a costly lesson in focus. A blazing turn. The girl and her motorbike merged with the car. Terrifying moment. A massive rock falls onto the highway like a disaster movie. Luckily, no one was injured. Bridge. I can't take it anymore. Crane truck. Let's see. And down they go together. An unplanned jump, an imperfect landing. Luckily, the driver is still here to tell the tale.
1,000 EMS, immediate roll.
Hugging for love, but ended up hugging fear. Luckily, it wasn't their last embrace. It seems like the pickup truck was a little too eager for the fruit shop. Luckily, the aunt and niece made a split-second escape safely. A thrilling chase ends with a one-way ticket to the police station.
Ох, нихуя. Блять!
An unplanned emergency landing. Luckily, no serious injuries. Just a little more, and a terrible accident could have happened. Be careful when driving in the rain.
hold on. Oh shit, I didn't even mean to honk.
All the way over.
Shall we go over and see him?
Get off the road. Just get off the road. Just get off the road.
Sorry.
Let me.
This isn't the kind of self-driving the driver wanted. A small handbrake, but a big lesson learned.
Guy drove over a motorcycle.
Like a raging beast out of control, the truck plowed through 16 steel victims. A breathtaking moment of chaos. This intersection looks like an action movie scene today, with unwilling actors. A moment of chaos in the tunnel, but luckily, everyone is safe.
Hold on, he's turning around. He's gonna be facing your way. Officer's coming up that ramp. He's facing your way. He's coming down the ramp towards the officer.
The escape plan didn't go as dreamed. Thinking he could get away, Ramirez crashed into two innocent vehicles and continued to test his luck with the police.
Get that dude out!
Let's continue to move the vehicle. Looks like he's reversing. Attempting to turn the vehicle. He's coming forward. He's ramming the police cars.
I'm alright. Hey, get out the car! Hold. Hey, hands up!
An unexpected incident shocked the entire neighborhood. Sometimes, just a moment of lost control can lead to major consequences. Reflexes faster than the accident, a fateful leap saved them from tragedy by a hair's breadth.
Oh my goodness.
When the wheel is in the wrong hands, even the sidewalk can turn into a dangerous racetrack. A split second between tragedy and miracle. Luck stepped in, allowing those footsteps to keep moving forward. The car was like a wild beast out of control, a heart-stopping moment that sent shivers down the spine of anyone who witnessed it. Always stay alert and control your speed. A moment of distraction can lead to serious consequences.
I mean, it's not there as like a town has been planned properly that would. Shit! Brick!
The ground betrayed. Luckily, no one was hurt, but the truck might need therapy after this shock. Pedal mix-up leads to a terrifying crash. The driver lost control and slammed into a house, leaving the family in shock. Dah! The big truck slammed the brakes, but still kissed the back of the smaller truck, a collision that was anything but gentle.
Включен режим «Город 2».
Runaway tanker crashed into a liquor store, then Lay's boy sparking flames brighter than the clearance sign. A complete escape failure, and of course, the final destination is a resort with free meals.
Do not rush it. Get on the ground! Get on the ground right now! I got drive!
Danger strikes without warning. Just one moment of distraction and you might not react in time. Always keep a safe distance. Hot and milky white crash when fresh milk turns into burnt milk. Master Shredder roared, exploded in flames, but legends never fade. It will be back. An unexpected liftoff when the trailer decided to take flight, but had a rather rough landing. Parking skills didn't match the intention. Switching drivers seemed like a solution, but it turned into a disaster. When speed and recklessness collide, the consequences literally go up in flames, a costly lesson on the road. The silence of the gas station was shattered by a terrifying explosion. Thankfully, it wasn't a greater tragedy. The hero charged in like a steel warrior, clearing the way after an intense metal showdown. Thrilling chase. The driver barreled straight into a restaurant like in an action movie, leaving the streets in chaos. Truly horrifying. A head-on collision caused a truck to catch fire, resulting in the closure of R34/R66 between Vaiheid and Olundi. A duck family crossing the road turns Moscow's traffic into a circus stage. Drivers just stand there watching. The truck carried an overload without proper checks. The consequences turned out heavier than the excavator itself. High-speed haircut? The Citroen crashed into the barbershop like it couldn't wait to try a new hairstyle. No appointment needed. Thrilling from start to finish. A strong collision was shocking enough, but the ending came with a free shower bonus. A truck lost control and soared like it was flying, nearly colliding with a father and son by the roadside. Luckily, it didn't turn into a disaster. A fiery parking maneuver beyond expectations, the car caught fire and crashed into a house as if asking for shelter. That driver nearly got a first-hand crash course in traffic safety from the CO police. Luckily, his car was stopped in time. Like a crushed soda can, the impact was so strong that even the wheels wanted to leave. Free action movie in Florida, but the ending wasn't glory. It was the arms of the law.
I told him, he ran me, he's running back north. They could get over here, they'll make a mutual aid across the Marion County intersection. And they're trying to make another loop to go ahead towards cnrb.
Just a hair's breadth from life and death, a heart-stopping moment that sent shivers down everyone's spine. The wall decided to retire in a grand fashion. Too bad 10 cars didn't agree with the plan. Fatigue is the silent killer. Sleep deprivation reduces reflexes and decision-making ability. Thick fog, limited visibility, a powerful reminder to drive cautiously in harsh weather conditions. The car seemed to appoint itself as the leader, deciding to lead both tractor trailers into an unexpected traffic drama.
Oh, that's way worse than last year.
Two steel warriors clashed, and the result? A battlefield of wreckage. A more intense action scene than in the movies. The driver truly deserves an award for the best escape. Staring at the screen and forgetting the road. No doubt, the guard booth does not approve of this driving style. Like a miracle amidst the wreckage, the car was crushed, but fate granted them a truly miraculous chance to survive. A tense situation between a government vehicle and a suspicious car, just like an action-packed scene.
This guy. Done you alright? Boom! Jeez!
Nine pins knocked down in just one swerve. A short journey, but long-lasting consequences.
Hold on, watch out, bro. Watch out.
Hold on.
The truck eagerly tried to escape, but fate had planned a landing right on top of the police car. When you think the situation is bad enough, fate delivers an unexpected kiss. Sir, emergency, not reckless. Fire trucks have urgent missions, but traffic safety still comes first. Just 1 second. He might reconsider standing near the road after this miraculous escape. Panic moment as the car loses control when the wheel quits mid-shift. A steel nightmare in the heart of San Diego. The tank crushed everything in its path, turning the streets into a real battlefield. The poor rock suddenly became an unintentional launch pad. The BMW crashed into it, soaring into the air like a long jump. When your partner is too unstable, breaking up is no longer about love. It becomes a survival test. A stroke of luck in a dangerous moment. The runaway truck plunged into a ditch, but miraculously, no one was seriously injured.
别动，别动，别开车，别。
对，先离开，先离开。
The bus hugged the utility pole. But all passengers were safe, a heart-stopping moment with a happy ending. Dodging like a ninja, a lucky driver narrowly avoids a crash as a truck decides to hug another car in the Sydney Harbour Tunnel. A narrow escape caught between two giants. The small car driver miraculously gets to continue their journey. Test drive or crash test. The brand new VW Polo got its first repair service just a few meters after rolling off. Pickup truck on I-15 tested its flying feature but failed miserably. Lesson learned: highways are not runways.
Pit. Start 52.
The wanted Nissan Altima sped down the road, dangerously switching lanes. Police ended the intense chase with a precise pit maneuver.
Get down on your knees. Get down on your knees. Блять! Ёбаный в рот!
A passerby driver became a hero by bravely burning the wrecked car to rescue 3 people, a truly inspiring act.
Bra, reverse. Bra. Hey!
An SUV barreled into a wall right on New Year's Eve and the driver staggered out, an explosive start to the new year. The little car, like a brave warrior, charged into the truck in a race against fate, then collapsed on the street.
Buena. Aquí en la avenida principal de Guayacán, abogado Raúl, hay un accidente con 2 personas que probablemente estén muertos y chocaron con un camión. Aquí en la principal. ¿Dónde está?
Están muertos.
Están muertos, están con el cerebro despertado. Un carro por...
The truck flipped as if it wanted to take off. Luckily, it managed to land safely in time. Please drive carefully. The chaotic moments on North 10th Street stirred the heart. Fortunately, no one was injured. Thick fog, limited visibility, a powerful reminder to drive cautiously in harsh weather conditions. The car seemed to appoint itself as the leader, deciding to lead both tractor trailers into an unexpected traffic drama. Thank you all for watching the video until the very end. If you found this content helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to catch our latest videos as soon as they're released. We promise to bring you more high quality and captivating videos. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.